AI Veganism, the new digital ethics. Imagine a future where the ethical choices you make extend beyond what's on your plate. A future where going vegan doesn't just mean avoiding animal products, but also refusing to support certain uses of artificial intelligence. Welcome to the world of AI Veganism, a rising ethical movement that challenges how we think about technology, data, and the way we live in the digital age. In this video, we'll explore what AI veganism is, why it's gaining attention around the globe, how it connects to issues like data exploitation, digital rights, and environmental sustainability, and what it means for your daily life. Whether you're a tech lover, a skeptic, or simply curious about the future of ethics, this is a discussion you can't afford to miss. Today, we will explore what AI veganism really means, why it is becoming a conversation in tech ethics, how it connects to environmental issues, human rights, and personal privacy. We will also look at the arguments for and against it, and what adopting an AI vegan lifestyle might look like in your everyday life. The origins of AI veganism. The idea of AI veganism did not appear out of nowhere. It is a natural evolution of existing ethical movements. Traditional veganism focuses on avoiding products and practices that harm animals. Digital minimalism focuses on reducing dependency on harmful technology. AI veganism combines these ideas and applies them specifically to artificial intelligence. The term began circulating in academic discussions around 2021 and 2022. As AI systems became more powerful and more embedded in everyday products, researchers, journalists, and ethicists started to notice that AI was not neutral. It was built on choices about data, choices about energy consumption, choices about how much transparency companies were willing to give, and those choices had consequences. AI veganism emerged as a way to describe a consumer-led movement that pushes back. It is not just about avoiding certain apps or devices. It is about demanding a standard for what ethical AI should look like. The four main concerns of AI vegans. Number one is data exploitation. Most AI systems are trained on massive amounts of data. That data often includes your personal information, your location history, your search habits, your conversations, sometimes your photos and voice recordings. AI vegans argue that taking this data without explicit informed consent is a form of exploitation. Even if you click "I agree" on a terms of service that is 50 pages long, the consent is not truly informed. Number two is bias and discrimination. AI is only as fair as the data it is trained on. And the reality is that human history is full of bias. When you feed biased data into an AI model, you get biased results. That has led to real-world harm in hiring systems, policing tools, healthcare recommendations, and even school admissions. Number three is the environmental impact. Training a large AI model can require millions of dollars worth of electricity and vast amounts of water for cooling. One study found that a single training run for a state-of-the-art AI model could emit as much carbon dioxide as 5 cars over their entire lifetime. AI vegans argue that if we are serious about climate change, we cannot ignore the footprint of our digital tools. Number four is human labor exploitation. Behind many AI systems are armies of low-paid workers labeling images, moderating toxic content, or transcribing audio. These workers often face poor working conditions and little job security. What does an AI vegan lifestyle look like? If you were an AI vegan, your day might look different from most people. You might choose a smartphone that uses minimal AI features or lets you disable them. You might avoid voice assistants that constantly listen for wake words. You might block facial recognition on your devices and refuse to upload biometric data to cloud systems. You could avoid using social media platforms known for harmful algorithms and instead support smaller ethical networks. When searching online, you might use privacy-focused search engines that do not track your queries. You could choose AI tools from companies that publish transparent ethics policies and audit their models for bias. It is not about rejecting all AI completely. It is about selectively supporting the AI that aligns with your values. Examples of ethical AI alternatives. Some companies are already responding to the demand for ethical AI. Privacy-focused tools like DuckDuckGo or StartPage avoid tracking your search history. Open-source AI projects like Hugging Face encourage transparency and community review. Some startups are creating AI with lower energy footprints by designing smaller, more efficient models. And there are platforms that publicly publish their data sources and allow for independent audits. For AI vegans, the goal is to shift market demand toward these kinds of products. If consumers refuse to support unethical AI companies, we'll have to change to stay profitable. Criticisms of AI veganism. Critics argue that avoiding AI entirely is almost impossible. AI is embedded in smartphones, streaming services, navigation apps, even your home appliances. Some say the only way to live as a true AI vegan would be to disconnect entirely from modern society. Others argue that AI itself is not the enemy. It is the way we build and use it that matters. From this view, the solution is not avoidance, but active participation in shaping ethical AI policies and regulations. AI vegans respond by saying that consumer pressure is a powerful tool. When enough people demand better standards, companies and lawmakers take notice. Just like organic food labels and cruelty-free products became mainstream through consumer demand. Ethical AI could follow the same path. The future of AI ethics. Over the next decade, artificial intelligence will not just assist our work. It will design new medicines, manage transportation networks, and even influence politics. Movements like AI veganism could help ensure that this transformation benefits everyone rather than just a few powerful corporations. Already, governments are drafting AI regulations to protect privacy, prevent discrimination, and reduce environmental harm. Public awareness campaigns are growing. Universities are adding AI ethics to their core curriculum, and activists are creating rating systems for the ethical impact of technology products. If AI veganism gains momentum, it could become a mainstream consumer identity, just like environmentalism or animal rights activism. AI veganism challenges us to think about our technology in the same way we think about our food, clothing, and energy use. It asks a simple question. Are we willing to sacrifice a little convenience in order to protect privacy, prevent exploitation, and reduce environmental damage? In the end, AI veganism is about taking responsibility for the invisible consequences of our digital lives. The more we learn, the more we realize that every click, every download, and every app we choose sends a message about the world we want to build. The choice is ours. We are entering an era where technology ethics will be as important as food ethics. AI veganism is not just a trend, it's a wake-up call. It's asking us to pause and think before we click, swipe, or download. The future is in our hands, or rather, in our devices. If you found this video insightful, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs to hear about this, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology and ethics.